Printing borderless and with no spaces top or bottom from your Canon IPF plugin is a straightforward process. In this example, we have an 8x10 image. Start by going File, Export, and select the image ProGraph plugin that corresponds with your printer. Next, make sure your settings are set up for your media type and profile. Next, click the Page Setup tab and click the Borderless Printing button. In the next drop-down, choose the roll paper width that corresponds to the roll size you have loaded in the printer, and click OK. Next, click the Roll Paper Options button, and make sure you check No Spaces Top or Bottom, Conserve Paper. Additionally, make sure to select Available under the Automatic Cutting drop-down box. Click OK. Next, if you want to increase the number of copies, go back to the Main tab and choose the number of copies you want to print. Finally, click Print, and your printer will print over left and right edges and trim your top and bottom borderless, leaving you with an all four sides borderless print. If you have more questions on how to use your Canon IPF plugin, refer to the additional tutorials at lexshit.com or contact your sales representative.